Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Prashant and I am going to start a series of videos on Python for beginners. This is the first video of this series, that's a Python introduction. In this we are going to see what is Python, why Python is popular, features of Python, trend of Python and what we will see in the future videos. So let's get started. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python has a wide domain of use. It is used in web development, mobile app development, desktop app development, web scraping, automation, and is widely used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. So, the Python is a high-level programming language. There are two types of level of languages, low level and high level. Our computer understands only 0 and 1, that is the object code. In low-level languages like assembly languages are fast to translate source code to object code, but it's hard to write complex code and long code, and it's not efficient for humans for understanding. In high-level languages, it's very efficient for human to understand, read and write long and complex code, but it takes time to translate to object code. What is interpreted? As we talk, computer understands only 0 and 1. So interpreter converts source code means our program to object code to a means 0 and 1. Interpreter converts line by line while another languages uses compiler to translate source code to object code like C and Java uses compiler. Compiler converts all source code at once and interpreter converts line by line. Compilers are faster than interpreter, but when some mistake happens, interpreters are efficient. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and the first released in 1991. Why Python is popular? Python is popular because it's open source. You don't need to purchase any license to use. It's very easy. It has no semicolon and curly braces like other languages. It has wide applications. It's open source and it has wide application. It has a very huge library set and the huge great community support. It's easy to learn. It's object oriented. It's easy to read. It has wide applications. It's a portable. It works on Mac, Linux, Windows. It's interpreted language. It's open source. It has a huge library like NumPy, scikit-learn, matplotlib, pandas, and many more. It works on many databases. It connects very well. Python versus Java trend in USA from last 5 years. If you observe, the trend of Java is rapidly decreasing and the trend of Python is rapidly increasing. And in India, if you observe, the trend of Java is rapidly decreasing and the trend of Python is slowly increasing. In video series, we will look basic Python, the installation of Python software, operators, conditional, looping, and advanced Python classes, object-oriented, exception handling, packages, and some libraries of Python like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and machine learning algorithms, regression, classification, clustering, and some library scikit-learn and the framework TensorFlow, and then web frameworks Flask and Django. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Share your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.